Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to easily merge cells in a Notion table using AI, even if you've never done this before. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to streamline your tables and make your pages look cleaner and way more organized. So let's dive right in. First off, open up the Notion page where you want to insert your table. All you have to do is type "table" and select Table from the options that pop up. This is Notion's way of letting you quickly add a table block. Super convenient, right? If you're brand new to Notion, don't worry. The / command is basically a shortcut for all sorts of features and blocks. As soon as your table appears, click into a few cells and add some kind of value. You can put in text, numbers, maybe even a simple list, whatever makes sense for the table you're working on. The important thing here is just to fill your table a little bit so we have something to merge. Tables are much easier to manage when they actually have information in them. So take a moment to add those values. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can always change it later. Now, let's get to the merging part. Click, hold, and drag across the cells you want to merge. Think of it like highlighting words in a document, except here you're selecting several cells at once. For example, maybe you want to merge the first two columns to create a wider header section, or maybe you have a few individual cells of data that belong together. Make sure you've selected only the cells you want to combine, because this will tell Notion's AI exactly what you want to work with. If you accidentally select the wrong cells, just click outside and try again. It happens to the best of us. Once your cells are selected, look for the icon with 6 little dots at the top left of your selection. This might sound tiny, but it's a crucial step. Those 6 dots open up a menu with all sorts of handy features for table customization. Click on those dots, and you'll see the option to Ask AI. This is where the magic happens. Notion's built-in AI can actually help you manipulate tables in ways that used to take tricky workarounds or extra plugins. So go ahead and tap on Ask AI. A window will pop up waiting for your instructions. Here's the key. Type in "merge the columns." Be clear and direct, just like telling a friend exactly what you need help with. Notion's AI will understand what you're trying to do, and as soon as you hit enter, it's going to work behind the scenes to combine those cells just how you requested. This part might take a few moments while the AI processes your command, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. What's great about this AI method is you don't have to fiddle with complicated menus or formulas. Just a simple command, and your table is transformed. And that's pretty much it. Your chosen cells are now merged, making your table tidier and easier to read. Merging cells is especially useful if you want to create headers, lump together related data, or just keep your Notion dashboards looking professional. Remember, if you ever want to unmerge or change things up, just repeat the selection process and get creative with the AI prompt. Notion keeps getting smarter, so every update means simpler ways to organize your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into trouble with merging cells. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and easy AI workflows. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.